Hello guys, welcome to Himmel356. Now we are inside the composition dragon slash, and in here we have a simple animation where the king slashing the dragon. So let's see what we have. But the animation could be better if we have some motion blur in this part. So how to add motion blur? It's really simple. Select the layer in which layer we want to add the motion blur. So it's the king sword for us. Then look for motion blur icon. If the motion blur icon is not here, click on this button. You will find them. Then enable it. See, now we have nice motion blur. Now how to control the motion blur? Suppose we want to lower the motion blur. So for that, select your composition, right click, composition setting, advanced. Now the shutter angle is 180, reduce it to 90. Now press on OK. See, now we have 50% less motion blur. So guys, that's how easily we can add the motion blur in After Effects. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.